If you've ever dreamt of a life that blends the rugged beauty of nature with the comforts of luxury, then look no further than this canyon-inspired deluxe camper van. With its striking design and meticulously crafted interior, this camper van redefines what it means to travel in style. Whether embarking on a weekend getaway or an extended road trip, this van offers an experience that's as artistic as it is adventurous. Prepare to be blown away by a mobile living space that turns every journey into a masterpiece of design and functionality. Drawing inspiration from the awe-inspiring canyons of the American Southwest, this deluxe camper van captures the spirit of the great outdoors and infuses it with modern luxury. The exterior features earthy tones, sleek lines, and materials that evoke the raw beauty of the natural world, allowing the van to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. This is no ordinary camper van. Its design feels like a work of art on wheels, striking the perfect balance between adventure and sophistication. But beyond its aesthetics, the van is engineered for top-tier performance. Built to handle diverse terrains, this camper van ensures that no matter where your journey takes you, be it a dusty desert or a winding mountain road, you can travel in comfort and style. It's a camper designed for both exploration and relaxation. The interior of this canyon-inspired camper van is where its true brilliance comes to life. Every detail has been carefully crafted to make the most of the space, providing both functionality and comfort. The open-concept layout feels spacious and airy, thanks in part to large windows that allow panoramic views of the landscape, whether you're parked beside a tranquil lake or overlooking a sweeping canyon vista. The van's modular furniture transforms the living area into a lounge, dining space, or guest bedroom, offering flexibility to meet your needs while on the road. High-end natural wood paneling and plush textiles give the interior a warm, inviting ambience. The design is luxurious yet unpretentious, with a blend of rustic charm and modern minimalism that brings a cozy, home-like feel to the road. Clever storage solutions are integrated into the design, ensuring that all your camping gear, clothing, and essentials are neatly tucked away, making the space feel more like a luxury apartment than a mobile home. At the heart of this van is its stylish and functional kitchen. Designed for travelers who love to cook, the kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a compact refrigerator, stove, and sink. There's also plenty of counter space for meal preparation, making it easy to cook anything from simple snacks to gourmet meals. Whether you're grilling fresh fish caught during your travels or boiling pasta over an open flame, this camper van allows you to enjoy cooking in nature like never before. The kitchen area also features a convertible dining table, ideal for sharing meals with family or friends. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal while watching the sun set over the landscape. This is the ultimate in al fresco dining, offering both comfort and connection to the world around you. When it comes to sleep, this deluxe camper van excels in offering comfort after a long day of adventure. A queen-sized bed with luxurious bedding ensures a restful night's sleep, no matter where you are. For extra flexibility, the van includes a cozy lounge area that doubles as additional sleeping space for guests. Whether you're in need of a peaceful night's rest or simply a place to relax, this camper van provides an environment that's both restful and rejuvenating. Despite its compact size, the van features a thoughtfully designed bathroom that includes a portable toilet, shower, and sink. The design is space-efficient but does not sacrifice comfort or usability. The bathroom materials are eco-friendly, reflecting the van's commitment to sustainable living, an important aspect for those seeking to minimize their environmental impact while traveling. In conclusion, this deluxe canyon-inspired camper van is the epitome of modern luxury and outdoor adventure combined. With its breathtaking design, high-end interior, and eco-conscious features, it's not just a camper, it's a way of life. For those who seek both comfort and adventure, this mobile masterpiece is the ultimate vehicle to take your road trips to a whole new level. It's a camper van that promises to turn every journey into an unforgettable experience.